It's about 8 a.m. May 26, 2018. We're standing at the first house that I captured burning, so Leilani and Luana. That's the cinder cone up there. Luana continues that way, heading towards Malama. Kahukai is behind me. We are, well, we're standing right here. Ever changing, you guys, ever changing. There's another one over there someplace. There we go. To get here was a little challenging, wasn't it?
It was. It was quite the hike.
Oops, that was a boom. So I had a nice chat with one of the police officers. It's all good. He actually let us remain there past the do not cross tape. I don't know if this is showing up, but there's some red just beyond that tree on that cone. Boy, I really like this zoom. Oh, check it out, you guys. Look at that huge tree mold. This is a remnants. It's not an albizia. At least I don't think it is. But I'd go over there if I had my gloves on to catch my fall. But it's hard to tell. There is a crevice right there. So this is basically what we had to walk on to get to, not knowing what was under our feet. So we had to like stomp, walk, stomp, walk. Ooh, look at that bridge right there. I mean, no human being can come up with stuff like this. Oh, wow. Look at that, baby. See, John, that's why it's so dangerous to do what we did.
I know.
I know it's not going to show, but to the left of that smoke, there is fountaining. I just saw it. Yeah. I'm still seeing it just a little bit through all the smoke. Ooh, I gotta take some stills. By the way, I did take a bunch of stills. Thank you for reminding me at our last stop. And this will probably be my last one for the entire day. Believe it or not, I gotta do yard work again. Yay. Aloha.